Should you join an online weight loss program? If this is your first time hearing about an online weight loss program, you may be wondering whether or not you should join one. If you are, you will want to continue. Perhaps, the biggest sign that you should think about joining an online weight loss program is if you are looking to lose weight. Whether you are interested in improving your appearance, improving your health, or doing both, weight loss can be a stressful time. Many weight loss programs assist you by having a daily food or exercise log for you to fill out. This has been known to motivate many online weight loss program members. Depending on the online weight loss program that you join, you should also get access to fun workouts and healthy recipes. Another one of the many signs that you should think about joining an online weight loss program is if you regularly find yourself pressed on time. Whether you have a family to take care of, a demanding job, or both, you may find it difficult to eat healthily or maintain a regular exercise program. Joining an online weight loss program is a nice alternative to attending a local weight loss program, one that often requires you to meet for an hour or two a week. Another one of the many signs that you should join an online weight loss program is if they can find an online weight loss program that is perfect for you. What is nice about online weight loss programs is that they come in several different formats. For instance, it is possible to find generalized, online weight loss programs, which are designed for all different individuals. On the other hand, there are themed weight loss programs, like ones that are designed for men, women, and senior citizens. Finding the perfect online weight loss program makes it well worth it for you to join one. Speaking of finding the perfect online weight loss program, the best way to find one is to perform a standard internet search. When performing a standard internet search, you may want to search with phrases like online weight loss programs, or online weight loss plans. If you are looking for something specific, like an online weight loss program for women, you will want to incorporate that into your standard internet search. You can also ask those that you know for recommendations or find online discussions where online weight loss programs are being discussed. When searching for an online weight loss program, you will likely come across multiple programs that may interest you. When it comes to choosing an online weight loss program to join, it is advised that you take the features that you have access to, like online message board communication and healthy recipes, as well as costs into consideration. An online weight loss program that has more features or online resources for you may be worth paying a little bit more money for. If you fit the above-mentioned criteria, you may want to look into joining an online weight loss program. In fact, you may even find an online weight loss program that gives you a free trial period. This is the perfect opportunity to determine whether or not an online weight loss program is right for you.